Caroling brought to you by Institute 26dec14 in association with Prudent. Supported by Prince Furniture and Prince Garments, Hotel Antique Mador, Abyss the Underworld and Horror Show Verna.
Well, hello and welcome to Caroling, third All Goa Christmas Carol singing competition organized by Institute 26dec14 and in association with Prudent, supported by Prince Furniture and Prince Garments, and prize is sponsored by Hotel Antique Mador Verna. Two important people here with us. Those are judges. One is Dexter Furtado, and the other judge we have is Tony the Rebender. Please, ladies and gentlemen, please give a huge round of applause to these two gentlemen here. You'll get to see Goa's topmost groups battle out here and entertain you with their Christmas carols.
The spirit and joy of Christmas in one and all. We are going to be singing the carols, Do They Know It's Christmas, sung in English, O Come All Ye Faithful, sung in Latin, English, and Konkani, and We Need a Little Christmas, sung in English. So keep those feet tapping and your fingers snapping as we begin with our carols.
ह्या म्हयन्यान आमी नातालाची तयारी करतात, पूण आमची व्हडांतली व्हडली तयारी जावंक जाय जेजूक आमच्या काळजांनी घर करून ताका येवकार दिवंक. आयज आमी 2 गितां गायतलीं, जी जावन आसा संवसार घुंवता आनी जॉय टू द वर्ल्ड. ह्या गितां वरवीं आमी हो संदेश दिवंक सोदता की जेजू आमचो सर्वंडार, राजांचो राजा जावनूय तो दुर्बळपणान आनी कालतेपणान जियेलो. बालक जेजू जल्मलो म्हूण सगळीं खुशाल जालीं, तर आमी जेजू भाशेन दोयाल आनी कालती जावया आनी हो संवसार नवसरूंक आमी वावरुया.